Yeah. Welcome to the Yellow Culture.
Sir.
Before Nkale, because in Baning, I just want to get everyone's name. Because from there, you tell our viewers who you are and so on.
We're Ulen Frisco Matzatela, all the way from Durban, Kamaska. I know we don't call that.
I go by the name Septic at Septic_SA. What we want. That way.
Sir, it's your boy Fluxy Benzo, all the way from 031, Durban, Chesterfield.
Yeah.
Mr. Maneuver.
Sure.
Jesus, pick up dog.
All that is
It's your boy Double Jobs the Blackie. But you just wait and see him before does he peak. Hey, what?
I'm coming on, but look at it because I've said what's going on.
First, thank you again for joining us on the show. Before Scooby more, I just want to know what inspired your guys' name, Flowerboyz. Where did that come about?
And it has to be the image itself. It explains everything about the way we are. There's plenty of us, so the source is too much. There's different sources, so it's flowery.
It's a bouquet.
Yeah,
that's okay. Okay, so how would you explain your guys' type of style? Because in Mali, what's not in the style, so.
Yeah, I guess it's different though. It's different. It's a fuse of many things. Trap, Afro. What else? Trap soul. Digital trap. Rock.
You guys are even into rock.
Everything.
This nigga is
also electro.
But then, guys, I've never heard anything of yours besides hip hop.
Well, that's because you never listen to it.
Bro, I listen to your guys' music. That's why I got you.
That's cap though, but that's I don't. But what I can say is that what you've been listening to is songs from us as a collective.
Yeah.
So when we get together, that's what we come up with. That's our style.
Yeah.
But when you go deep into it, it's different niggas, different people.
Okay, so if Flowerboyz is a hip hop group,
but it fuses a lot of other styles as well, but mainly based on hip hop.
Okay. Weren't you guys called Shabba Gang? Because I was on Facebook, when I was searching for you guys, I came across Shabba Gang.
It was some of us. Some of us were Shabba Gang. Back in high school when we were still coming up. Still in Durban, you were Tubane, Chesterfield, and then we got to meet a lot of other people Zulu, Yanga, and also Jebs, and Menu.
Cool.
Then we were able to create a different thing that could accommodate the styles that we wanted to. So it was a matter of growth, and then we decided to come up with something else, a different movement. So it's like that.
Yeah. Okay. So when do you guys make the big move here to Johannesburg? Because it's really need to get it. So when did you guys move here?
We came here when? Was it August 2020?
Yeah, August 2020.
Yeah, it was August 2020. We just decided to come up to Jersey because that's the promised land. That's where enough options are. Yeah. So we're just searching for growth and everything.
Okay. What inspired the move? Anyone can answer.
I guess it's always been something that each one of us wanted, on the low. It was a matter of when for all of us. So when a chance presented itself, we just decided to take it, and make the biggest jump.
In 2020, which looked like the worst year.
During the pandemic.
How do you move to a different city in a pandemic while being an artist?
what do you have to lose in the pandemic, bro? You're already locked out.
But then, bro, no one knew what was happening last year. It was like, listen, guys, like, we didn't even know the virus was going to
Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, dog. What happened to us as artists, as musicians during the 2020 pandemic is when we got like locked up and locked in, we decided to create, music and vibes within that space. So a lot of us found a lot about ourselves. But, more music was created, bro. Like I think there's music out there that was created purely at that time.
Yeah.
So it was
a
good and bad
day.
situation. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the pandemic for me it was mostly bad for like creatives. I can just say it was mostly bad. But then to hear a different story that you guys had a really great experience and you were able to turn it around. It's actually a nice story to hear. So the scene in Durban, what's wrong with the scene in Durban? Because like Durban is like the second or third biggest city here. Why would you leave everything that's happening there with the beach and come here? There must be a reason why.
You're not gonna take me for this one.
Yeah, but like guys, we have to talk about things like this.
I think it's because it's where the money is at. Somebody got on with songs and the industry it's small. So somebody got on it's gonna be like choice. So I'm just
Yeah, but so come to say
One way.
Yeah, and to sort of add to the reason why abanye abantu beze light shows, like light shows, you get to experience new things and you're able to grow, because you are able to find people that speak a language that you only hear on TV. Because in Durban it's like umungasha isiZulu, usha isiXhosa, usha yeah, so like it kind of gives like a lot of people like room to grow.
But then won't you say since sibaningi la people here from Joburg, then kube ngathi sibhudu akubonakala ukuthi kwenzakalani?
Like if you're really good at what you do and eventually you stand out.
Yeah.
So Zilapi, you do stand out, it kind of makes sense to the people, because when you come to Jozi, your hopes are to actually make it a broader thing, like bring it to the whole of South Africa instead of like having it in Durban pay.
Yeah, because like when you're big in Durban, you could just be a big artist in Durban pay.
Yeah. And
then like most of your light shows, so
nothing. It's around to
for real.
But as soon as you leave, like as soon as you get out the toll gates, Abasawas, like you're a new baby, you newborn.
I'm Zulu, humble performing my mind.
Yeah.
Bro, but like, how is it being Zulu in a new place? Because like, you guys are the only guys that I can talk to about unjani ufike eJozi as umZulu. Because abantu understand ukuthi thina asisazi isitswana. Understand? Abayizwa yona ufuna ukuthi ufike la ukhulume naye ngesitswana.
Hey dog, I can say it's a different thing, dog. It's a new experience, because when you get here, the baningi abantu abakhuluma into ongayizwa at all, you know. And they expect you to know. But I guess not unless we find our ways. We have the universal language, so exceeding defense well las baningi, mofika lapha erank mfethu kumele understand.
Mina kodwa nabo abangani mina ngathi ngihlala nodwa. The thing is sure with like if mfethu unabantu abaningi endlini abadinga abangani. How would you have more friends if
Abafika phela bona bayazidinga.
Oh, ibona abafika.
Yeah, sinospating abangani bona abangani.
Bona bathi. Kazi bazothini abangajina. Sino njalo futhi passing mark ngifuna ukuzwa mfethu. Ngeke ukuthi samaZulu sonke ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kunjani ngomZulu like. Because mina bafethu ngiyala. Nabangilisa. Aminabangilisa mfethu yezwa.
Mina mfethu ngeke ngikwazi ukuchaza kakhulu. Angiyena umZulu.
Abule umsuthu.
Abondothi podcast yamaZulu.
Isho makhaya. Ujamba umZulu la.
Ayisabona nje angeke ngisho ukuthi amaZulu anenkani.
Straight.
Stubborn nale nje ukuthi lento esingabe sayifunda futhi kumasuphi la didla generation kodwa kuze kube manje esafika la sibone isidingo ngoba manje sikwazile mazusizwa nezingiso lapha
Azimfutheli basithathisa okwama taxi down with la.
Yeah.
Athi sibona amatext.
Mfethu.
kodwa kasiza ubambeka inkunzi
Ngeke
inkunzi yasengibonile
Ushakama ukuthi ndoda kwenze njani?
wenzani mfana wami
Ngiyibona
la wenza njani wena uthi ngivele
khulume ipi.
Uthi ngimuza wena.
Kunjani kubomZulu la? Because thina siphuma le ukuthi emakhaya. Kijozi kushisa kanjani ukuthi umuntu ohlukene.
Entombi mama, ngibanga umzuzu ne. Nani umzuzu. Ngizabona amaZulu ngendlela ayipasha umzuzu bawo nje. Usimbangalisa mfethu. Usimbangalisa.
Yo, ay, I'm looking for something like a flexi plan. Yo, come on, tell her to taxify. Yo, I only settle for cutie pies. Yo, back in my city, got plenty ties. Yo, ay, never feel good in a suit and tie. Yo, ay, never feel good in a suit and tie. Oh, yeah, go, yeah, go, glowing like stars in the sky. Hard, I'm about to 10 on a lie. In the mouth with a sign on my God. I hear they say you the goat. Take on a knock, chop it up with a butcher. Too bad my homie use a joke. Living a movie, homie Austin Kutcher. Whoa, yeah, go, yeah. I came with a heat, it's skill, it beats, it cheats. I'm getting pelling a shit. Don't trip, I'll be real with my homies for real. Foot on the gas, I'll be rolling a wheel. Eat them a day, my telling you at the end of the day. But they gonna pay. Yeah, but to listen to them, I'm spying. Yeah, crash the billing and get dialing. Yeah, but Susan Jellin and get shy. Soldiers, we heavy, I'm down with the slums. Niggas, they gamble, they rolling the dice. Ha, all of us have back the last. Yeah, I was all over the PAXAGON. Yo, my bitch, how call a Mexican. Yo, ay, I'm looking for something like a flexi plan. Yo, come on, tell her to taxify. Yo, I only settle for cutie pies. Yo, back in my city, got plenty ties. Yo, hey, never feel good in a suit and tie. Yo, hey, never feel good in a suit and tie. Whoa, yeah, go, I'm in the city, Billy, when I tell you I'm slitty. Busy, we making it biggie. Hop off a stage and the bitches, they start to get needy. Talking about she coming with me. Get to the crib and she already showing me titties. Right for one corner with Diddy. Vision is vivid, I think it's the cup that I'm sipping. Hold on,
Flowerboyz, y'all.
Let's go.
Flowerboy, but you killing. The feeling, I want you to capture the feeling. The feeling, flowerboy, but you killing. The feeling, the feeling, me man. And I ain't see body hands, I need my door, all I need my intentions. I don't like care about the mentions. Get the keys, but come out to me. Figure come call it bad, no man. Get to the beat, the films are pop, and hey, we expand the rules. I feel like showing my never ever start to doubt. This quality chose a silver vines, hey, Jab slow on the gas. And I'm on the mission. My bed telling us biggie. Let's talk about biggie.
Feeling, flip out, but you kill it. Yeah, feeling, I want you to capture the feeling. Yeah, feeling, flip out, but you kill it. Yeah, feeling, flip out, but you kill it. Yeah, feeling, I want you to capture the feeling. Yeah, feeling, flip out, but you kill it. Yeah, feeling, yeah. No man, all you realize is in this. No man, snack and bashibi. Only I'm a fresh, I feel. No one knows how I feel it. Hopefully, phone back, I can pick up the phone and you better to see it. I got missing some of my peace. It's a excellent to come to you. I still have a fan of come to you. Come here before you come to me. When the phone up on the web, no dish is said to be come to you. Speak all about people. Feeling all the mass and try to you. Feeling all of my balance to your go. Feeling, flip out, but you kill it. Yeah, feeling, I want you to capture the feeling. Yeah, feeling, flip out, but you kill it. Yeah, feeling, check it, feeling. Yeah, feeling, flip out, but you kill it. Yeah, feeling, I want you to capture the feeling. Yeah.
She bring it over to get up a Paso. John, I live in the north side. I'm in the bando when I'm my rockstars. You can smell the tobacco, eh? Spenzeli feeling me right. You want the smoke, so I get it down. So the one so I get swinging. My foot so big, don't get to me. I don't ever give it, but to the feel like it's on me. Spots no killing, she will look back in the valley coming. Spots no killing, she will look back in the valley coming. Yeah, the valley coming. The valley coming.
Win, at the same pride, care to do best. 946 came with a plan, yeah. Look at my accolades. My niggas run with the passion. Watch some tangle day, they're not competition.
I got a love how we bout to finesse. Papa to papas patron on the pace, basel on the face. I saw me hustling and I'm be basel, let's get to the chase. Ugin dwangu ya mima, koti nomu kanye bar. Yeah, suga we bout to get down. Muga se suga me down. Yeah, Dali supendire. We always win. Peta ma ching. But it's some tangure. Dali supendire. We always win. Peta ma ching. Yeah.
We always win, yeah. Ngati something already. Me and the team spataling a trip. Abamfuna young but drop a lupin. We at the case, now nobody saying. Shy on Pundo so twice is say. I'm here to make sure my people are paid. Haters so showing a catally red. Flowerboyz, have a fun about red. All you niggas cap, I put in the work, I need to relax. You cook on my car, 90 minutes and get your finesse, yeah. It's about party by mesh, yeah. Speak it back like I'm a body. So say, show them what's out, hey.
Party a pepper, party a pepper. We always win. Party some time, we always win. Party some pride, party a pepper, party a pepper. Party a pepper, party a pepper. We always win. Party some time, we always win.